Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another PC tutorial video here, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix any touchpad related problems here. So let's fix the problem. So first of all, go to your start option here and right click here, and now go to your device manager, click here, and now find mouse and other pointing device and expand this option. Now here you can see two options, HID complaint mouse and HID complaint mouse. Just right click here and select update driver and just select search automatically for drivers, and it will search the best driver that is suited for your PC. If the best driver is already installed, you don't have to install it again, and do it for the other one also. Right click it and update driver, and also select search automatically for drivers and just update your driver. And if this doesn't fix your problem, there is another way. Close it now and find human interface device and expand it. And here you can see the HID complaint touch pad, and again right click it and update driver and do the same process, search automatically for the driver. And you can see my base drivers is already installed. And even if this doesn't work, again right click it and update driver and go to browse for my computer device and select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Just select here and just select this one and click next, and it might fix your touchpad. But if this doesn't work, now right click this touchpad again and select uninstall device. Don't worry, it won't affect your touchpad at all. Just uninstall it. And right now you can see my touchpad is installed. And now go to your actions and select search for hardware changes. Just select it, and as you can see, it is automatically installed my touchpad here. So in this few ways you can successfully fix your touchpad problem if you have any. So if this video helps you fixing touchpad problem, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.